Hey there, I'm Kit, and welcome to Breakneck Games, powered by Comex Scona, where we show you the best parts of a board game in a minute. Today we'll be showcasing Grey Fox Games' incredibly popular social deduction game, Deception, Murder in Hong Kong. This one's for 4 to 12 players, ages 14 and up, and runs about a half hour long. Let's dig in. Here's the game. Deception is a deduction game where the players are a group of investigators who are trying to get to the bottom of a gruesome murder in Hong Kong. The twist? One of the investigators is the murderer. Roll cards are handed out along with clues and means, and these rules determine if you are the murderer, the forensic scientist, or an investigator. Adding more players, like these, adds more roles, like the witness and the accomplice, and the expansion adds even more roles on top of that. Once the roles have been decided, the forensic scientist acts as the game master, directing players to open or close their eyes when needed so the murderer may work in secret. In the first round, the murderer decides from the face-up what their means of murder and their corroborating evidence is. After this, the forensic scientist places a cause of death, a location, and 4 randomly drawn scene tiles. The bullet markers, like these guys, are used to indicate which characteristic the scientist wants to point out. After this, investigators take time guessing the correct sequence of events, while the scientist may remove and replace scene tiles to hopefully guide the investigators down the right path. At any time, an investigator can use their badge to solve the crime. If they're wrong, they can still play, but they can only guess once. If the investigators guess the murder correctly, they win. If the murderer manages to keep themselves hidden, or if they find out the identity of the witness in play, they win. Simple as that. If you like social deduction games, Deception, Murder in Hong Kong is one of the best ones out there. It's a bit more in-depth than games like Coup or Werewolf, yet not too difficult for first-time players to get the hang of. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more Breakneck Games powered by Comex Scona. Stay clever, investigators.